Start with clean, dry hair. Dirty, oily or wet hair does not let the clipper blade function at its best. Have all your tools out on the bench ready to go. Your clipper, guide combs, trimmer, blade oil and mirror. Choose a designated t-shirt for haircuts as this shirt will become itchy. Oil the clipper blades to ensure the clipper doesn't overheat and the hair passes easily through the blades. When starting out, always use a longer length guide comb, then go shorter if you want. The higher the number on the guide comb, the longer the hair will be. You can create half lengths by leaving the taper lever open. You are choosing at least 3 size guide combs with this haircut. A lower number guide comb for the back and sides, a higher number guide comb for the top, and a guide comb in between for blending both lengths. Starting with the shorter guide comb first, in this case a number 3, place the clipper on the head using the flat part of the guide comb. Work from the back hairline up to the crown and around to the sides up to the temple area, using a scooping C motion to help blend the short hair to the long. Then attach the number 6 guide comb and open the taper lever. Start at the front hairline and going back, work the clipper through the hair against the growth through the top and crown. You can then move the clipper in different directions through the top to ensure even cutting. Then attach the mid-length guide comb, the number 4 in this instance, and open up the taper lever to make a 4.5 guide. Work on the area where the longer length weight line is around the head. Work the clipper around the head in an upward scooping motion to assist in blending. Once that is done, close the taper lever and leave the guide comb on, and blend the hair in an upward scooping motion between the number 3 cut hair and the 4.5 length to help blend that line. This section should be a finger width. Once you're happy with the length and blending, you can start lining up your haircut to cut away stray hairs around the neck and ears using your trimmer. If you don't have a trimmer, a clipper can also be used. Use a handheld mirror to view the back of your head. To line up the hairline, lightly press the stationary blade on a 90-degree angle to the neck where you want the line to start. Then move the blade in a downwards motion down the neck to trim off any stray hairs. The same technique can be done with sideburns. To tidy up around the ears on a diagonal, use the corner of the trimmer to trim around the ears. You now have a clean and tidy crew cut using your favourite WAHL clipper and trimmer. Discover WAHL's full range at wahl.com.au. Follow us at WAHL Australia for more grooming tips.